Welcome back to Autosport Designs, Lotus Motorcars of Long Island. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Lotus Evora GT, a car that we sold new. It's just been recently traded back into us on a new Lotus Emira. Hop on in, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are. We're in our 21 Lotus Evora GT, Battleship Grey. It's got some great red accents inside the car. We'll shut the alarm off here. Turn the key on. Neutral, push button starter, fires right up as you'd expect it. 7,984 miles currently. We will warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, here we are, 21 Lotus Evora GT. Just about got a little temp in her. The cold light's still on, so we won't go too hard. But great driving car, 400 horsepower, 3,000 pounds. Great power to weight ratio, 6-speed manual gearbox. Really driver's car. These cars and the evolution of the Evora, this is the final iteration of them, really build a great car. The way the shifter feels, so mechanical, so usable, but yet so responsive. Great sports car. Drive it around the streets, drive it on the track. Very usable. Air conditioning, full Bluetooth stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, big brakes. This car is also optioned with the diamond cut black gloss forged wheels. Great exhaust note. Car's got tremendous pickup. Handling as you'd expect from a Lotus, what they're very well known for. Great throttle response and steering response. Huge brakes for a little car. We'll come up to the S's and we'll be back to you. Okay, here we are. Ooh, nice little wheel spin there. Great responsiveness. Really just want to drive this car all day long. So nice. We'll come up here, we'll drop jack off, and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed those. I definitely did. Great exhaust note. We're in sport mode now. Open the exhaust valve, and then you have the choice to open the exhaust valve all the time. Heated seats. Great dash layout. Really a very comfortable, easy car to drive, but when you get on it, very rewarding experience. Cruise control as well. Little back seats. Great little trunk. It's got 79, 89 miles on it right now. We'll come up here to Farm Road and we'll open up a little bit for you. All right, so here we are. We'll take her up through the gears a little bit. Great exhaust note from that V6. Wow. So much fun. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Really don't feel like going back to work, but we must. So like and subscribe, comment below as well if you'd like, and thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one.